Today I'm going to be sharing with you the reasoning behind the PSA that we developed for your company. There are a handful of design principles that we have applied to make this announcement communicate with the most amount of people. Being the Bicycle Helmet Safety Institute, it is important to promote the proper safety measures associated with the activity. In the design we have used typography, color theory, and visual hierarchy. I started off by choosing a simple picture that clearly displayed the topic. Nothing more than a bike rack with a bike on one end and a helmet hanging on the other. This was a great starting point because of the natural layout of the image. Because of the simplicity, there were a lot of options for where and how to add text. Using the concept of visual hierarchy, I decided to add a small heading on the top that would initiate the topic of the PSA. Visual hierarchy deals with the flow of an image and how a person naturally is led on a journey through the different parts of it. As you can see, I just switched over to a version that shows the grid layout for this poster. In this poster, I used visual hierarchy to align the different texts with both each other and the different areas of the image. For example, because of the repetition of the word choose, I chose to align the words to emphasize the choice that people have. After adding the top heading, it made the most visual sense to put the main heading of wear a helmet in the large text in the bottom middle of the picture, which was right below the image of the bike and the helmet. For the typography, because of the grayscale color scheme, I used a typewriter font. This font is sans serif type font. The typography is important mainly for the readability and viewing pleasure. This font is particularly easy on the eyes and portrays the idea that because this is an extremely simple font, that this should also be an extremely simple choice. The last design principle that went into this poster was using color theory. Color theory gives value to the different shades of color. This allows readers to easily see and interpret the poster. Because we started with the main picture, I decided to stick with the grayscale color theme. And with this image being mostly darker shades, it allowed the white text to stick out of the image and be easily read. It is important that we share this message with as many people as possible. Using this variety of graphic design principles, I have designed a PSA poster that should allow the message to pass on the importance of and reminder that wearing a helmet can save your life. Through visual hierarchy, typography, and color theory, this poster should provide our community with a fresh reminder necessary to make the proper choice.